Hi Randy, my name is Jessica and I just want to go over a few things with your website about you today and compare you to your competitor. A couple things I noticed is that your website is very well laid out. It looks really nice. One thing to keep in mind though is one of the things that Google's looking at when they're ranking websites is on the homepage alone they want almost 2,000 words of content. So adding that content in for some on-site SEO will do you a lot of good in helping you to rank higher in Google. Also, when you save these pictures, you can save them rather than just saving them just as anything. You can actually put a name on it. Instead of it saying download, you can use one of your keywords. That way it gets found better in Google to help with ranking. If we come over here and look at one of your competitors, you'll notice that they have a little bit more content than you. They still don't have a lot of content, but having a little bit more helps them to outrank you is one of the things. Another thing that we want to look at is backlinks. And so this is a tool that we use called Ahrefs, and it just helps us see behind the scenes on your website. And so you'll notice you don't have a lot going on here in these areas. Adding more backlinks will help your UR and your DR to go up, which is just like your trust and power on your website. And that helps people to be able to find you. That way you guys can get more organic traffic coming in. Adding those organic keywords, we can do this by adding more content to your site. We can go through and figure out which ones of these have high volume and a low KD. This is just the keyword difficulty. These are the ones that you really want to have on your site. That way they help you rank better. We can come over here and look at your competitors as well and see that they have a little bit more going on with backlinks than you do, as well as more organic traffic and keywords. And so one thing you'll notice is that one of their keywords, Portland roofers, gets 3,500 search volume a month. It is a little bit difficult to rank with the 23 KD, but it's still doable. Interstate roofing gets searched 11 times a month. It has a keyword difficulty of 2, which is awesome. It makes it a lot easier to rank. So these are some of the things that we can help you out with for some on-site and off-site SEO to help build your rankings up higher, get you guys more of that organic traffic coming into your site. That way you pay a little bit less for advertising and more for getting your site ranked. Another thing is with your GMB, we can add citations to that as well, and that just helps you to get ranked in the Google Map pack. So when people are searching for things on the map, that gets you higher to the top of that as well. So then you guys just can take the traffic not only from the organic list but the map pack. So if this is something you guys are interested in, we can definitely talk more and see what your needs are, and then we can go from there and build you guys a scope of work. Please let us know if you're interested.